Alright, what is up, guys? So, today, I already uploaded yesterday's video, so go check it out. Ralph's over playing some GTA. I was gonna go downtown for something to do today, but it's way too cold out just to mosey around, so I just decided to hang out at the house today again. Watching a Token Daily video at the moment. So yeah, just chilling, hanging out. Nothing really too spectacular is going on today. So, yeah.
Cocksucker motherfucker tits! Alright, I need something else besides the hat. The hat's not gonna move. Maybe if I whack it. Alright, something else. Oh, no, fuck it. I wanna try the hat. I wanna move this fucking hat. Even if it is physically impossible. What is it? I am mighty warrior. Champion of...
So it looks like they finished, and I just want to show you guys. It looks freaking amazing. Way to go, buddy. Peeing on the grill.
I gotta widen the hole so I can get it up in there.
Here, let's get the full.
Damn it! Fuck! I almost had it. Alright, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get
Hey, this is what I need the tripod.
Alright, whose feet are these? Diesel?
Why?
I don't have to fucking hold it.
Wait, why did you get the tripod?
What?
I could knock the tripod down. I don't think I could pick it up.
Let's see.
This will
Oh,
work.
look at it.
This will
Perfect.
fucking work.
So there's this little section
I will go down in history.
Can he
You
do
will
it?
write songs about me, Perry, if I succeed.
You can do it.
You will write my autobiography, and I will be on the David Letterman show. Did I just say the David Letterman? The David Letterman. Oh god damn it, cocksucking bitch, fuck. Perry doubted me.
I didn't doubt
You
you.
doubted me. You stopped filming me because you doubted me, and I succeeded.
I
I moved
doubt
this
it.
hat, and now I'm going to move it. Boosh! What? I am the champion of the hat.
Okay, so I am going to try to toss this bottle into that trash can. See if I can do it. I dropped it there. Ah! I hit it. I hit it. Try it again. Take two.
Come on. No, don't stop me. Close. No. Oh my gosh. Close. Come on.
Damn it! No, that was close. Alright guys, so that does it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new for the latest content. I post daily. Click like if you enjoyed, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, I'm going to bed, so. Anyways, peace out guys. Stay awesome.